Hey guys, welcome to my crazy life. This is just a mixed bag vlog of some stuff I've been doing, but I also received something in the mail that I wanted to share with you. So, there's Alex. Excuse the mess behind me. Wait, I gotta loosen this. There we go. I am putting Christmas away, making cranberry sauce, AKA I'm just boiling down cranberries. I added a little keto sugar and a little keto maple syrup to it. And I'm just gonna cook it down and see how it works. Back to what I was talking about. So I had a company reach out to me, and this was sent to me, but the opinions are of my own. I'm trying to open this bag. The company is called DRIPEX. And they are a seller of rugs on Amazon. They seem to be very much like a washable, which is what drew me to them. So they have all these different rugs in all different sizes, and a lot of them are washable. This one is washable. And it said that new rugs smell, why it may be wrinkled, the colors, how to clean. Indoor, outdoor. Indoor rugs clean stain immediately by blotting. Do not use bleach, low heat iron, vacuum carefully, machine wash, and cold water. I gotta remember no beater brushes apparently. So I wanted to show you this rug. I'll show you the pattern I picked. It's kind of like a vintagey vibe. And the other reason that I like it is because my kitchen is small. And a standard size rug was not fitting in here. I like a rug in my kitchen. I can't help it. I know it's controversial. Some people don't, but I don't put rugs in my bathroom if that helps. But I do like rugs in my house, especially with the cats. They drag stuff everywhere. So I had two rugs in here that are around the corner, and it was fine. They did their job, but it was a little weird. So I wanted something that took up some more room, and so the 4x6 seems to be the thing. I will tell you, pulling it out, it's really soft. I don't think it has a new rug smell at all, but let's look at the back of it. Now it is kind of big. I don't know if it'll fit in my washer, but I just like the fact that it can be washed. Ooh, I like that. So the back of the rug is like a rubber, so it's not going to slide around on my kitchen floor, which is a laminate wood. So I like that. So let me lay this down. I will give you a look. Also, DRIPEX, I will link below the rug that I got and to their website. Well, to their page on Amazon. So hold on.
Oh, guys, I love it. So this is a 4 foot by 6 foot in here, and it fits perfectly, and it just brightens this space up. I had dark gray rugs in here. There's perfect room over here for, well, the cat's water, which I have to get a thing to put under it, and then I'll put it next to the trash. My stove is here. This is like where I stand to cook. And then my little cart, we'll pretend like it's organized, for my coffee station, which is a disaster. Oh, I love it, guys. And I'll tell you, it feels really nice under my feet. Now, it does need to lay overnight and let the wrinkles come out, and I'll run the vacuum, but I love it. It kind of goes with my dining room vibe. But yeah, so let's not look at that mess. I have a mess, guys, I told you. But look, I love it. Perfect. So if you're looking for something reasonably priced that's washable, I would check out DRIPEX. Have a good one. This is an extra large women's shirt. Extra large. What? These pants, I don't even know what size they are. They're a junior something or other. Like a 14 maybe? I don't know. I'm shook that this stuff fits me. And we're playing in the Rose Bowl today, the Buckeyes. Yeah, I'm 100% wearing this. All right, guys, we got it organized over here. My shipping corner is a disaster, but I have cats and they're cute. We have Alex. Hi, Alex. And Mr. Wellington, he's under there in his basket. This corner over here is quite the disaster. This is my floss. I have a shelf I'm going to put in this corner, and I got some organization, and then some of this stuff's going to be put away. So I wanted to show you a little before of shipping central from my Etsy store, and I will come back with some organization. Okay. This is kind of what I'm hoping it looks like. I got this TV tray situation out of here. I brought this plant stand up. I need to wipe it down, and then I'm going to put the trays in. So let's get it. Working a little bit of women's basketball today at the shop.
Wildcat foul number 10. Kaylee Walsh, her third, team foul number 2. In for the Wildcats, Samaya Walton,
About 4,000 in attendance.
Kyla Jones, and Taylor Thomas. 2 shots.
And we got Brutus.